What are power and influence? Power and influence are social forces, and managers rely on them to make things happen in their organizations. Power is the ability to influence others to achieve goals. Influence is the exercise of power. We influence others when we have an impact on what they think, feel, or do. Managers use power and influence on a daily basis, sometimes without even realizing it. They use it to persuade others to work towards the same goals and follow their direction. They use it to reward great performance and correct poor performance. And they use it to make decisions and solve problems. Managers who utilize their power tend to benefit from earlier promotions, increased career mobility, higher pay, and better effectiveness. We aren't always successful, though, in influencing the people we work with. People respond to our attempts to influence them in different ways. They may resist our influence altogether and not carry out our request. They may comply by doing what is asked of them, but not because they want to or because they're excited about it. They do it because we ask them to do it. The optimal reaction is commitment. People who commit to a request do so because they want to and because they agree with it. Unfortunately, we cannot always get everyone committed to our course of action. There are times when compliance is the best that we can do. Effective managers have multiple sources of influence, and they know how to use it to get things done. Learn more about each one of these sources of influence in the next videos.